Want me
Uh-oh.
to read it to you?
Uh-oh.
Be careful with that grape juice, Miss Baker, especially on my new
That
friend.
head looks exactly like Terry's in the back.
There you
Uh-oh.
What are you doing going in the wrong side? Maybe that's why Nicholas goes in there.
go. Nicholas doesn't know to open the door.
Do you see the little half smile? That's Gavin. Say, Gavin, kiss kiss. Be nice, Gavin.
You hear him talking to him?
Uh-huh. He's just talking and talking.
Oh, hi, Grandma.
Well, hi, honey. I said he looks more like Terry than ever today, right? But they agreed with me. I
Oh,
thought maybe
he
it was
saw you,
because I
Mommy.
wanted him to.
No, he does, I think.
Uh-oh.
Not the eyes. It's
Oh,
yeah.
look, his mommy.
Oh, goodness.
Now, he's going to tell you a bunch of lies. None of them are true.
Good, she